our last few questions. Si Tito Kuya Ted, you have something to ask? Ayan. O yung pa-share ng mic kay Kuya Ted, Claudio.
Hello. Hi guys, I'm Claudio, WhatsApp that page. So, unfortunately, hindi ko pa napapanood, no? Pero excited na ako. So, I still am excited kung sino yung mananalo. So, sa palagay nyo, sa characters nyo, sino dapat manalo and why?
I think we should keep that excitement until you see the movie. And basta I think you appreciate the ending of the movie.
So, why do you think your character deserves to win the heart of Chingal?
Because it's, well, speaking from Ryan's point of view,
Ryan's point of view dapat.
Siya yung bago, fresh start, na walang sugat, walang, fresh start. So, I think it's healthy for anyone to have a fresh start.
Si Frank naman yung nagbabalik.
Sa akin naman, I think it's Ryan deserves to be with Chica because he's already been through a lot of hardships or heartbreaks with her. And now, alam na niya kung how to correct all those things. Frank, yeah. Ryan ba? Akala ko tisoy ako. And he knows how to correct all those mistakes and give her the best of what a relationship has to offer.
So, do you think is it an advantage or disadvantage na ikaw yung meron ng relationship kesa kay Ryan na na bagong character sa life niya?
Well, there are pros and cons. The disadvantage is maalala niya yung bakit kayo nag-break. The advantage naman is alam niyo na kung ano yung mali sa past relationship niyo na pwede niyo nang baguhin.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Would that be the last question? We have questions sa table na to. Kumakain sila. Sorry po ha. Kasi nasuway na. Ayan po the last question. Si ano man yun? Reg. Alcacid. Diyos. Go, Reg.
How did you prepare for the swimming pool scene?
Wow.
1 week
Siguro 1
before
week hindi ako kumain.
nasa gym ka na rin, ha?
Hindi na ako nakapagkapo kasi puro shoot.
Kasama yung pamangkin niya, ubod ng bait. Diba? Ubod ng bait. Pamangkin mo yun, diba?
Doon
sa likod.
OPS, pamangkin ko yan si Ian.
Kala ka naman ubod ng bait talaga.
Wala ang hell.
Malaang Ang yummy.
Wala naman. I've been working out since last year kasi wala akong masyadong trabaho. So nakapag-workout. So actually sinurprise na nila ako. Sinabi nila,
Surprise yun.
kailangan ka mag-ubad ha. Mag-topless. Sabi ko, may choice ba ako? Wala naman daw. So, in-offer nga ako ni Jody ng cake. Kasi birthday niya on that night.
Dahil nagawa mo, binigyan ka ng cake.
Hindi, in-offer niya before the scene. Sabi ko nga, parang tatanggal ako ng shirt baka ma-bloat ako. Sabi niya, kung mahal mo talaga ako, kakainin mo. So wala akong choice.
So yun ang preparation. Nag-cake ka muna bago i-shoot yung scene na wala kang shirt.
Panood mo na, Reg. Ay, ang cute ng scene, ano? Okay. Okay, may I have a question lang kasi you guys are the most good-looking sa Philippine cinema and television. Team Chinoy and Team Tisoy. Did you ever wish na Ian and Frank na bakit maging Chinoy din ako na ganun kagwapo, Chinoy, ikaw naging Tisoy na parang si Ian? May magaling ba kayo? Or happy kayo exactly what, yung anong features kung anong ano nyo ngayon?
Ako, I'm content naman.
Oo naman, Diyos ko.
And but when I
Angal pa
learned
ba
about
tayo?
his age, akala ko he's much younger than he is.
Kala mo.
Oh, when I asked him, tapos sinabi niya sa akin yung age niya, sabi ko, I hope I look that good when pagtubating ako sa ganyan age.
Wow,
Kasi nga, this guy's...
doon mo siya hinangaan sa part.
Yes, may...
Pwede na ako maging tatay niya.
Hindi din.
Kasi nga, he's very fit, healthy living, and masipag mag-gym, obviously. Na sana ako din maging masipag mag-gym.
Pero hindi ka namin hinanapan ng ng kapayatan, Ian. So